Now let's create our folder structure for our project. So here inside our folders, let's create a new folder called src. Inside src folder, we're gonna add a couple of folders. First folder is gonna be screens, to add our app screens. The second folder is gonna be components, to add our app components. Third folder is gonna be HTTP, or you can name it API or config, whatever you want. Okay. Now let's go to our app.tsx and move this code. First, let's move those functions, our API call functions. So let's highlight them, all of them, like that, and cut them. And let's go to our API folder and create a file called config.js, or you can make it http.ts. Name it whatever you want, but make sure that you choose a name that refers to what this file contains. Okay, so now let's paste here our code, and just don't forget to import Axios and the alert. Okay, and press save for now, and we're gonna do some changes here later. Okay, now let's go to our app.tsx. Let's remove all of this code. All of this must be deleted, and this also. And let's remove those styles too. Just return null for now and remove all of that. Okay, now let's press save. And let's go to our screens and create our home screen. So inside screens folder, let's create a new component called home screens.tsx. And let's create a functional component here. We can use this snippet rnfe to create a React functional component, and press save. Now let's render this home screen there in app.tsx file. So let's go here, and instead of null, let's just add our home screen, and don't forget to import it like this. And now let's press save and see our app. Now here is our home screen. To make sure, you can add styling here. Felix of 1, background color gold. Now we render our home screen correctly. So now in this screen, we're gonna render the list of boxes that anyone can buy. Finally, we need to create an assets folder. Assets, to put here images or SVGs that you want inside your app. So now our small structure is ready for this app, and in next lesson, we're gonna build our book component.